Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can build your own RCS template inside the Clerk Chat UI, and you'll see how simple it is and how easy it is to get going. And you're going to end up with something like this, where you can send a template that has an image, a title, a body, and some interactive buttons that the user can click on. So what you want to do is you want to jump into Clerk Chat. You see I have my RCS line enabled here. And before I send a message to myself or to my client, I want to head to the template section inside Clerk Chat. And this is where I can start to build RCS templates that I can send out over RCS. So I'm going to click Add Template, and I'm going to give this one a name, Holiday Demo. And so now a few options. I can either make this personal, so it's just personal, private to me, or I can make it available to the whole team. I'm going to make it available to the whole team. And I can choose the type of RCS template I want to send. Do I want to send suggestions or a rich card? Think of these two things as basically the same. Suggestions is without an image, and a rich card is with an image. So I want this one to have an image. And you can see I've now got my first card popping up. I can see it's my first card. I can add an image, header, body, and some buttons. And on the right-hand side of the page here, I have the Clerk Chat visualizer. So I can see, as I'm building the card out, what this is going to look like to the end user, which is an extremely valuable tool. So I'm going to choose an image to start with. I'm going to choose this one here. Good. So this is my holiday image, and the header is going to be ready for a holiday. Choose your ideal destination. So you can see already this change has been auto-saved. And inside the Clerk Chat UI, this is what the card looks like right now. Kind of cool, but there's no interactive element to it. And so I want to add a button to make this interactive. So in this case, I want to give 3 destinations that the user can pick from, and I want to link those to a web page where the user can go and book a holiday. So the first destination I'm going to go to is put Cuba. You can see I type that in and that comes up as a button. I can choose what action this button does. So it could either trigger another RCS template, another one that we build. It could trigger an AI agent to give a response. It could open a URL. It could dial a phone number, view a location on a map. In this case, I want to open a URL. I'm going to go and grab my URL and paste that into there. Awesome. So now when I click on this, you can see it's a link that'll open up that web page for the user. I'm going to add 2 more options. Bahamas. Add that URL. This is just linking to Expedia's web page, so this great. So now we have Jamaica, Bahamas, and Cuba in there. And this is it. This is the whole RCS card. It's now saved. We can add more cards that would give what we call a carousel. We have another tutorial on how you can create carousel images. For now, I'm just going to start with this single template. I'm going to head back to my RCS line. I'm going to find my contact. I'm going to scroll down to find this template, Holiday Demo. I'm going to click it and hit send. And so you can see in the UI, first of all, we get an example of what this looks like. We can see that this message has been delivered and read. It says it's read because my phone is open literally right here. This is my actual phone. And you can see it's been sent from my RCS verified agent. And you can see I just got this RCS card through. So ready for a holiday. I can select where I'd like to go. And in this case, Bahamas packages come up straight away. I could also check out Cuba. And the great thing about this is I'm never leaving the messaging interface. You can see this is just a pop-up within the messaging app. And so your user there's less friction. There's no switching between apps that causes friction. So this is another huge advantage of RCS. It's an immersive experience. So this is how you can quickly set up a template and send it out to your users, cohort of users. If you're interested in this, I recommend you check out our other videos on building carousels and RCS messaging, and get in touch with the team, and we'll set you up with an RCS agent so you can start sending these messages yourself. Thanks.